in the streets of Arashima. Yan pala. Yan pala, kapagod na trabaho yan, no?
Yep.
Ha? Hindi, may
Forest na sila.
tapos may mga puti na trabaho na gano'n.
Oh, baka.
Naubuso ng pera siguro ba?
Oh.
Ang ganda, oh. Wow. We're going bamboo forest after having a very sumptuous udon meals. Grabe nga. Ganda. Touristy. Tingnan mo, pawis na pawis yung...
Kasi naka-jacket sila eh.
Hindi, yung foreigner na nasa gitna siya ng line-up yun, no? Puti, nakaputi. Mostly Japanese kasi eh.
Kaya mo pa nila, oh. Grabe, oh.
Oo.
Kaya tawad.
Mahal yung bayad yan ba?
Eh,
Parang royal talaga
actually,
nakasakay.
parang they're also a tour guide.
Ah,
Explaining things, oh.
okay.
While they're,
Dito, marami din pala dito kayo, oh. Kainan, mas sosyal.
Kala, wait lang. Wait lang.
Ha? Okay, mainit.
So hot.
This is matcha. Okay. Ano? Ang daming tao. Especially today is an Easter Sunday. Tapos you have blooming kwan pa. Cherry blossoms.
Let's go.
Yeah. Amaze ako dun sa mga Anong temple to? Zen Temple. Oh. World Heritage Site. Ano? Yung mga old taxis nila.
Okay, I thought you did. Okay, then I will.
We're going in this.
Kawala sila. Kawalaan. General direction daw. Ano, Arashima ba ka? Going ba tayo, kuya?
Going to Arashima.
Okay.
After 150 meters, we're not
Okay. Very near. The famous bamboo forest of Kyoto. Okay. Dito sa left side yung temple, UN Heritage Site. Difficult to pronounce. Left side daw, in less than 200 meters is the Arashima bamboo forest. Sorry.